Hi everyone. Today we will learn how to create vouchers for the cash transactions. First of all, open a tally, go to create company. Create a company and countries and state. After that, save the company, press Ctrl plus A for saving. After that, go to transactions. Here, accounting vouchers, press enter. I have a small question for you. In a new company, what type of transaction is occurred first? That is capital transaction. So we are doing first transaction is capital. So in this transaction cash is received. So we are creating receipt voucher. So press F6 or click on receipt button in shortcut keys panel bar. After that, you can check your voucher. At present you are in receipt voucher and date is 1 April 2020. You can change date also. You can press F2 for change the date or click on date button in shortcut keys panel. After entering the date, go to account. So we are doing cash transactions. So here select cash and next one is particulars. Particular is a what is the type of transaction? My transaction is here is a capital transaction. So capital transaction. So here you are entered capital ledger. You can check ledger list of ledger accounts. Here no ledgers. So you create a new ledger for the capital. So press Alt plus C for the ledger creation. Here enter your ledger name, capital, enter. Capital is under group of capital account. So select capital account, enter. After saving that ledger, you enter how much amount you invest, 15 lakhs, and narration being started a business with cash. Press enter for saving the voucher, accept yes. So receipt voucher is saved. If you want to check your vouchers, previous vouchers, you can press on keyboard page up button. So you can check previous voucher. What is the shortcut key? Page up. You want to next voucher, you can want to check next voucher, you click on page down button. Okay, we have only one voucher, so you can check page up button. This is a capital voucher, cash to capital. You are invested 15 lakhs amount, and next one new voucher, page down button. Here, next transaction is you received a cash for commission. So this ledger is commission received. So you enter receipt voucher. What is the shortcut key? F6 or click on receipt button in shortcut keys panel bar. Here account is cash, particulars ledger. You want ledger is commission received. So here list of ledger accounts, no ledger for the commission. So you are creating new ledger. Press Alt plus C. Type a ledger name and under commission received is a under group of indirect income. How much amount we received? 50,000. And narration is being received from Prakash. Enter. Save. So these are this for the receipt transactions. After that, you paid salaries to your employees. So that type of transaction we are entered in payment voucher. So why? Because the cash are paid. So we are entering payment voucher. The shortcut key is F5 or click on payment button in shortcut keys panel. So the shortcut key is F5. And next one, so already you know that you can change the date, press F2 or click on date button in shortcut keys panel. After that, select account. So we are doing cash transactions. So account is cash and particular is, so what type of ledger is that? What type of transaction? It is that salaries. So here entering salaries ledger. You can check ledger, list of ledger accounts. Here no ledger for the salary. So press Alt plus C, create salaries ledger. Salaries under indirect expense. How much amount? So we are paying 20,000. Next, narration, being paid to being cash paid to employees. Clear? After that, next example, for example, you paid rent to your office owner. So that type of transaction, how to enter that? So in this transaction you are paying cash. So the type of transaction is going to payment voucher. So in payment voucher, press F5 for the payment, or in payment button, press the payment button in shortcut keys panel. After that, click on account, go to cash. Particular is office rent ledger. So in list of ledger accounts you can check. So here no ledger for the rent paid. So create Alt C. What is that? Office rent. Indirect expense. How much amount? You are paying 10,000. Narration is being paid to Ram Associates. So these are entering different type of transactions, that is cash received or cash paid transactions in Tally. And next one, you can check all transactions. Go to display, daybook. Here you are entering daily wise transactions. At present we are entering April 2, 2020 entries. That date we are entered only 4 vouchers. So here seeing that 4 vouchers, you can modify that vouchers. I want modify the capital is 20 lakhs. So we are entered in previous voucher 15 lakhs. So we are modify that voucher. How to that? So here select capital transaction, press enter. So already it's showing receipt voucher. So you can press enter and you can change that amount. So 2 lakhs, 20 lakhs. Clear? So this is modified. Or you want to delete the voucher. I want to delete that office rent voucher. So press enter. Here press Alt plus D for the delete shortcut. What is the shortcut? Alt plus D for the delete voucher. Delete as? Yes, delete the voucher. So you can see that only you have 3 vouchers. Escape. You want to check profit and loss account? Go to gateway of Tally, P&L account, profit and loss account, press enter. You want a brief explanation? Alt F1. Here net profit is 30,000. Why? Because their indirect income is 50,000, commission received, and after that we are paying salaries 20,000 and net profit is 30,000. You want to go to balance sheet? Go to balance sheet. Here check our capital account is capital transaction 20 lakhs and our income profit is 30,000. So why? Because it's 20 lakhs 30,000 is total amount, balance sheet total. So I hope you understand for how to create, modify and delete vouchers, and how to check balance sheets and P&L accounts. If you have any questions arise, you can just drop a message in comment section. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.